Educational videos play a crucial role in enhancing the learning experience. They cater to different learning styles, allowing visual and auditory learners to grasp concepts more effectively. Additionally, videos can break down complex information into digestible segments, making it easier for students to retain knowledge. The use of animations, graphics, and real-life examples can further enrich the learning process. Educational videos have become an essential tool in modern learning environments, providing engaging and accessible content for learners of all ages. These videos can cover a wide range of subjects, from mathematics and science to history and art, making complex topics easier to understand through visual and auditory means. This document explores the significance, benefits, and various types of educational videos, as well as tips for creating effective content. Tutorials, step-by-step guides that teach specific skills or concepts, often used in subjects like math, science, and technology. Documentaries, in-depth explorations of historical events, scientific discoveries, or cultural phenomena, providing context and background information. Lectures, recorded presentations from educators or experts, often used in higher education settings. Animations, creative visual representations of concepts, particularly useful for explaining abstract ideas or processes. Interviews, conversations with experts or practitioners in a field, offering insights and real-world applications of knowledge.
Know your audience. Tailor your content to the age, interests, and educational level of your target audience. Keep it concise. Aim for clarity and brevity to maintain viewer engagement. Quality visuals. Invest in good production quality, including clear audio and visuals, to enhance the learning experience. Incorporate interactive elements. Encourage viewer interaction through quizzes, discussions, or prompts to apply. Videos are a powerful resource that can transform the way we learn and teach. By leveraging the benefits of visual and auditory content, educators can create engaging and effective learning experiences. Whether you are a teacher, student,